over in Papua New Guinea, there's a lot of mountains, a lot of deep valleys, ridges. Not really possible to build a long runway or any kind of runway, so a lot of villages, they'll just level off the top, cut down some trees. That allows a helicopter to come in. You can also sling loads from the bottom of the helicopter. You can do a lot more unique configurations, kind of niche area stuff with the helicopter.
Yeah, the other cool thing about it too is like where we worked in the Amazon, you know, we have 290 some odd tribes there, and the majority of the reached ones have runways or big rivers near them. But the last of the last are the most isolated ones. They're out in the restricted areas. They're in places where you can't get access, like you were talking about. Mm-hmm. And so the helicopter is about the only tool that will get you into that little tiny village. There's just no place to land. The airplane doesn't work, but the helicopter does it. So as we look to reaching those last 1,000 or few thousand tribes that are unreached, these are the kind of tools that take it there. So that's pretty